Number one, I have red hair. And number two, I'm in a new place. So yes, this is the new apartment. I'm so excited, and today we are going to be doing a Bath & Body Works haul. So it's fall, and that means Bath & Body Works candles, the fall scents are out, and I'm so excited. I love their fall candles, and for the longest time I actually wasn't buying them, and now I'm allowing myself to buy them again. Now that I'm in a new apartment, I kind of treated myself to some fall scents. I only got 4, so not that crazy, but I will be getting more the next time they have a sale, so I'm super excited, and let me show you what I got. The first one I got is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. So this is actually, I think, burning behind you guys as well. I have one left over from last year, so that's what's burning right now. And I also didn't know that I had one, so otherwise I wouldn't have bought this one. But obviously I really like it, and it is basically like fall in a candle. It's a spicy, pumpkin-y kind of scent, exactly like what it says, and it says warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, vanilla cream, brown sugar with essential oils. So yeah, pretty much exactly that. So I obviously love this candle. It smells like fall. It smells like back to school, if that makes sense. So I really, really enjoy that one. The next one is Pumpkin Apple. And I think this was actually a new one to the fall collection this year. I haven't seen it before, but I haven't been there in a really long time. So and this one smells like apples. So it smells like kind of like an apple pie. It's very apple-y, and again, I think of fall when I smell it. Yeah, I think like the first day of school when I smell this. I don't know why. So this one says red delicious apple, fall pumpkin, fresh ground cinnamon, and clove buds with essential oils. It smells so spicy, so good. It's really, really nice. So, and also the top of it looks like a pumpkin. So it's kind of cute. And the next one I got is Pumpkin Cupcake, and I usually don't really like bakery scents, especially with fall, but since it is fall and it's kind of that season that you're baking and you're making pumpkin treats, I love this scent. And it kind of smells like a sugar cookie, but with pumpkin in it. So you smell the sugar cookie and you also smell the pumpkin, which is really, really nice. And it wasn't that, I like how it's white too. It goes with my decor, and I think that'd be really good. But yeah, let me see what it says on the bottom. It says whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, freshly baked cupcake with essential oils. So you definitely get that cupcakey scent, that bakery scent. It's not too sweet, and it has just a little bit of spicy. So it's a little bit cozy, a little bit like your mom's baking in the kitchen, which I don't have anybody baking in my kitchen except me. I made a really good dinner today. I made a taco salad all by scratch. I'm pretty proud of myself. It was actually really good. I'll be sharing the recipe probably on Instagram sometime. So if you don't follow me there, follow me. I'll link it right here. And then also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I know that was a little bit late, but... And now the next one is the Perfect Autumn. And I was actually looking for sweater weather or autumn, I think it's called. And so I couldn't find either of those, but I'm sure they have them. They have them online. I just couldn't find them in the store. There were a lot of candles. They have expanded their fall range a lot. And to me, that there's a lot of duplicates. Like there's a lot of like pumpkin cupcake, but like different names. But I think they all smell the same or have like the same concept. So I usually just get the basics and go with that. But this is the autumn one. And it says fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, crisp apple, and rich clove with essential oil. And this reminds me of Christmas. and it reminds me of kind of like January. The cranberry is the main note of this. I can definitely smell that. And to me, I was burning a cranberry like candle a couple years ago with the New Year. So this obviously to me smells like the holidays because that's when I was burning this candle. I don't know, I think maybe a good like Thanksgiving one. It has that cranberry and you do cranberry sauce with your turkey. I think that'd be really fun, but I don't think this is the best fall one. It does have a cute little maple leaf on it though. So I still like it. It's not going to be one I burn before the others. I'll probably burn, I don't know, maybe this one next. Maybe the cupcake one. Maybe I'll have one in like, I'll have one in my bedroom and one in the living room. Maybe I'll do that because I used to be able to go through candles really quickly, and then I decided it really wasn't worth the money. It's like $24.50 for one of these candles, and they lasted me about a day, but my candles have been lasting me about a week. So I don't know, maybe I'll keep buying them because if it's a bang for my buck, I will. But anyway, so those were the candles I bought. That's the only thing I bought in this little sale haul, whatever you would like to call it. I don't really buy their hand soaps. I usually go to TJ Maxx for that. And then I usually don't buy their body products. I don't really like the ingredients. And I find you can get better things at Target or Lost Ton or other companies. So the only thing I buy from them is candles, and even then I find that you can find dupes for the candles at various places. I know that Ulta has one. They have like 2 or 3 different candles that they use, and then they do at Kohl's. You can find the exact dupes of the Bath & Body Works candles for about the same price, which is why I didn't go there. They can have sales for like $10 or something, but again, it's going to be around the same amount that Bath & Body Works has, so I just went with Bath & Body, and I'm really happy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and make sure all notifications are set to on by clicking that gray notification bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next one.